5.4 multiplied by 7.6. So now that we've done the column method, trusting you what you need in order, we're going to look at the regular grid method. So, the difference between columns and this is basically just presentation. So whereas the columns, you would have to make sure you got the right number of digits by multiplying, or the right number of calculations here by multiplying the number of digits there by the number of digits in the second number. So 4 times 2 is 8. With the grid method, that's already done for you from how it's set up. So, our first number has 4 digits, so we need 4 columns. So I'm going to draw the ones on the left hand side a bit smaller than the ones on the right hand side, because I know what's coming. Right, then our second digit, or our second number even, had 2 digits, so we need 2 rows. Just double check something. Right, so then, along the top here we write down what each digit is worth. So 3 in 325 is worth 300, 2 is worth 20, 5 is 5, and the 4 is 0.4. Then down the left hand side here, 7 and 0.6. Now whereas here you have to remember to do, in the columns you have to remember to do each calculation yourself. Make sure you've done them all. Because of the way we've done our boxes, that's already done for us. So then we can work our way across. I'm not going to work these out again, because I've done them in the other one. So, but 7 times 3, 21 multiplied by 100, 2100. Or 2100 or 2100. 6 times 300 was 1800. So because this is 10 times smaller, we end up with 180. This was 140. This was 35, and this was 2.8. This one, 0.6 times 20, was 12. 0.6 times 5 was 3. And this was 0.24. After that, simply write them all out on the side, remembering your columns and where to put them. I tend to end up writing them in order of size, just because I like how it looks. You don't have to write them in order of size, but that is purely up to you. And then we just add them up as we did in the previous method with the columns. So then we end up with, what was it, 3 here, carry a 1, we end up with a 7 here, carry the 1, and we end up with 4 there, with 2 left over on the thousands. So that is another way of doing it.